Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to limit interaction on your Instagram. Maybe you want to limit interaction on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can limit interaction on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you will be redirected into this Instagram homepage. From here, you will see this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. And then from your profile page, tap on these three lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And here, select Settings and Privacy. And then in here, scroll down and you will see here the Limit Interactions. Tap on it. And here, simply tap on this Continue. And then in here, put to limit. In here, you have accounts that are not following you and the recent followers. And as you can see in here, how long to limit. You can limit for 1 week and also you can customize it. And simply tap on the set reminders and turn it on to continue. As you can see, you turn on the limit. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage limit interaction on your Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can limit interactions on your Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.